The general definition of ethics is dealing with values relating to human conduct with respect to the rightness and wrongness of certain actions. In the section Land Ethics of Aldo Leopold's work, The Sand Country Almanac, Leopold takes the basic definition of ethics and applies it to the land. He writes, "The land ethic simply enlarges the boundaries of the community to include soils, waters, plants, and animals, or collectively, the land." Leopold elaborates on the economic and social reasoning behind the destruction of the land, the past failures of implementation of a written land ethic, and the positive effects of having a land ethic would have on the biological community, in contrast to the negative effects currently being demonstrated without one. Leopold's work argues for implementation of enforced rules in the community that protects the land and its inhabitants, specifically from large businesses and those who profit economically, socially, or politically from detrimental acts on the environment. Just as those who destroy the environment in Leopold's work their way around proposed land rules, multi-million-dollar industries are capable of finding loopholes around existing laws and regulations to protect the environment in order to create their own high standards of living and revenue, ignoring the negative feedback from the environment as a price to pay. An example of these large businesses who execute controversial projects that are detrimental to the environment are two multinational mining companies, Anglo American plc and Northern Dynasty Minerals Ltd. They plan to execute the Pebble Project, which is a mining expedition that will extract hundreds of billions of dollars in minerals from the rivers that flow to the Alaskan Bistal Bay. The Bistal Bay is home to more than half of the world's salmon population, which provides food for surrounding native populations, over 10,000 jobs in the fishing industry, and brings in $1.5 billion in revenue each year. This completely unethical process involves open-pit mining thousands of feet deep and almost 3 miles wide. In addition to 12 square miles of toxic waste reservoir that would be unusable after the project would be completed. The Pebble Project has absolutely no beneficial highlights to provide the Alaskan area which it seeks to destroy. The fish population will be forever decreased, the land of the natives will forever be unusable due to the pits that are miles deep in debris and destruction, and land will be completely destroyed from endless amounts of toxic waste that prevent any life from replenishing. Due to the pristine condition and environmental value that is placed in the Alaskan Bistal Bay, it seems that there are no alterations to make to the Pebble Project that would allow the project to satisfy Aldo Leopold's definition of land ethics and should be completely shut down. Since the beginning of the Pebble Project, the mining companies have had to make alterations to the initial plan in order to be approved by current federal environmental regulations. This includes creating reservoirs for waste instead of draining it out in the ocean and restricting the location of the project to only the bay so that surrounding bodies of water would be protected. The new versions of the initial plans of the Pebble Project are undeniably better for the land. However, they still do not abide by Leopold's concept of land ethics and have no alterations which would comply unless the location were changed to an area without an endangered species and array of prime biosystematic cohesiveness.